Hadal Kukwa, Konyak Aoleang Monyu, Taida Mayong Epatamujina, Badi Yang Lim Ang Lenga Village. Nangday, to kindly take your time. A beating of log drum, ukha pan na halang. Sakam Sulana, ukha pan na halang mono.
The log drum, a sacred pulse of the Naga village, has long stood as guardian of time and tradition. Once a treasure of clans, it remains a relic of power, its voice commanding the attention of the skies, which with each rhythmic strike, the air trembles, carrying messages of urgency, celebration and honor, echoing the past, anchoring the present. The sacred beating of the log drum, known as the Kamai, signals the dawn of a new season, a prayer for the earth's bounty. It is the heartbeat of the village, summoning blessings from the spirit, whispering invocations of prosperity, health and protection. The drum's call transcends time, reaching the divine realm, ensuring the prayers of the people are heard. And so, as we stand joy's rhythm, may the almighty graces with the harvest, rich and plentiful, may the drum's reverberation shatter discord, weaving peace into the fabric of our land. Let the sound rise high, let it be heard across mountains and rivers, and may the land of Ang be forever blessed with unity, abundance and harmony. songs and dances weave the soul of the village, a timeless echo of heritage, a rhythm of life. Cherished by the community, they sing a language beyond mere words, a melody that carries the heart's deepest emotions of faith, love, and valor. With hands unwind, they stand in perfect circle, voices rising like a river's flow. At the center, lead singers chant, guiding the dancers as feet carve intricate patterns upon the air. Upright they stand, proud as warriors, their steps narrating tales of bravery and devotion, their garments whispering echoes of ancient lore.